I'm in the tallest stand of blue gums anywhere in Lutruwita, Tasmania, anywhere in Australia, anywhere in the world. This is what we call the Lonnavale Forests, and its habitat home to the world's fastest parrot, the swift parrot. We're a stone's throw from the world's highest rated World Heritage Wilderness, the Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area. They're the same forests as here, but unbelievably, these forests, the big difference is that these forests are not protected. They're due to be logged. This is what we call a logging coop. We call this area Denison Swift Parrot Sanctuary. Denison is a local valley, and we're calling it a sanctuary because we want this to be a place where swift parrots are safe from industrial logging. Swift parrots, the world's fastest parrot, are endangered for one reason above all others, and that is because the Tasmanian government and the logging agency it owns, Forestry Tasmania, continues to log their habitat. Swift parrots make their home here because they feed on Eucalyptus globulus blue gum flower, the nectar, and they nest in big old trees. And when they're really big and old, the trees form nest hollows and they make their nests for their chicks in those hollows. As well as the world's fastest parrot, the swift parrot is also one of two in the world only migratory parrot species. And it's Tasmanian summer right now. They're feeding and breeding here, and when they've finished, they'll migrate back to the mainland where they'll live for the rest of the year until they come back in Victoria and New South Wales. Unfortunately, the Tasmanian government, Forestry Tasmania, continues to log big old trees that swift parrots need for their habitat, for feeding and nesting. To find out more about swift parrots, high conservation value forests like this, and how you can get involved, head to our website.